What is up guys, this is Yusuf here from TechDroids and welcome to the $350 budget gaming PC build for the month of August 2016. So $350 might not be enough to buy a PlayStation 4 or the Xbox One, and $350 PC will not crush Assassin's Creed Syndicate at 4K, but you can play GTA 5 and Syndicate at 1080p or 720p. So without any further ado, let's get started. Keeping the budget in mind, I went with the VIVO V01 mid-tower ATX case. It has 4 fan mounts, supports USB 3 and costs only $34.99. And it's not the worst case known to humanity, and it's not the most badass looking case, but for $34.99 this was an easy choice. For the CPU, I went with the Intel G3258 Pentium. It's the anniversary edition, really good CPU for gaming. It is clocked at 3.2 GHz, dual core, 3 MB of cache, and supports DDR3 RAM dual channel, and is the LGA 1150 socket type. So, an easy choice for the CPU. For the motherboard, I went with the MSI H81MA, DDR3, USB 3.1, and for RAM, I went with the Kingston HyperX Fury RAM. So 2 into 4 GB. So 2 sticks of 4 GB of RAM, DDR3, 1600 MHz. So I could have gone with a single DIMM, but a double DIMM is always, like a dual channel RAM is always better than single sticks. So that is the HyperX Fury from Kingston. 8 GB will crush anything you throw at it. For the power supply, I went with the EVGA 430 watt 80 plus. Costs $34 and does the job, will power everything that this PC has to offer for. So power supply, EVGA 430 watt 80 plus certified. For hard drive, I went with 1 TB storage from Seagate, cost $49.99 and does the job, 5400 RPM, really good hard drive, will do the job. You can go pick up a SSD or beefier storage, but for $350 I had to go with the Seagate hard drive. So far so good. So till then we are now up to like $250. Now the main hero of the PC, for the graphic card I went with the EVGA 750 Ti, the GeForce GTX 750 Ti super clocked, cost $109.99, is 2 GB of DDR5 graphics, does the job for any game currently. So the graphic card does the job, that means the PC will do the job. Cost only $110, and that wraps up 350 Tron. And that was it. This PC will do really good in all the benchmarks and stuff. So it will score above 3800 on Firestrike, and this is a similar PC. Actually, this is better than what the score is. So you will get up to 4000 of score on Firestrike benchmarks. And that wraps it up guys. This is the $350 gaming PC build for the month of August 2016. If you enjoyed the video, give it a massive thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to the channel. So comment in the comment section down below what do you think about the PC or any other budgets that you have to recommend me, and I'll make sure the PC gets done. And that is it from this one. This is Yusuf from TechDroids and I'm signing out. Peace, and as always, thanks for watching.